Once a year, the desert comes alive. Welcome to King of the Hammers, the toughest off-road race on the planet. A brutal mix of high-speed desert runs and technical rock crawling, stretching over 200 miles. Thousands of fans, hundreds of drivers, one goal: survival. The Ford Bronco is built for this. From the 4600 stock class, pushing near factory-built rigs to their limits, to the 4400 Unlimited class, where anything goes and only the strongest survive. This is King of the Hammers 2025.
Ford's commitment to off-road the last few years, and especially this year, has just been incredible. You know, we've got amazing teams representing the brands, amazing vehicles coming out of the plants, coming to the desert to play, and coming to the desert to race.
We developed it in the desert, and it shows. It's the first car that really feels like it was made to survive the elements out here. And it's pretty incredible what they go through.
So the thing that makes the King of the Hammers, the toughest one-day off-road race in the world, in my opinion, is the diversity. Johnson Valley offers everything out here. Not only do we go through off-road terrain like Baja, like Dakar, but we throw in the rocks here. So we have to go and rock crawl through the Hammers trails where we got to shift into low range, we got to turn on our lockers, all that technology that's built into the Bronco, we're utilizing that the whole time, and now it's absolutely conquering the King of the Hammers.
One of my favorite things about racing out here is the community, and that goes to the whole Bronco community and Bronco Nation as well. It's really awesome. Every year we get to go out on the tracks and we'll be cruising down trails like Outer Limits, which is literally in the middle of nowhere. And all of a sudden you'll see 30 Broncos just sitting on the side of the trail, fist bumping, cheering you on. And man, when you're getting beat up and you're at that point 6-7 hours in the car and you just want a nap, it really picks you up, and that community it's awesome to be a part of.